Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can align your taskbar on Windows 11. Well, it's just a matter of choice whether you like the taskbar elements aligned in the middle or to the left corner. If you want to align them in the left corner of the taskbar, then go to the settings and under personalization tab, click on taskbar. Here, click on taskbar behaviors and change this option to left. And here you can see that the elements have moved to the left corner on the taskbar. And you sure can bring them back to the center by changing the option to center. And this is how you can align the elements on the taskbar. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.